What's the meaning of cognitive? Cognitive. Cognitive.
Cognitive. Cognitive. Cognitive refers to the mental processes and abilities related to learning, attention, perception, memory, language, problem-solving and decision-making. It encompasses the way we acquire information, process it and apply it in our everyday lives. The study of cognitive processes is important for understanding human behavior and developing interventions for cognitive disorders such as dementia and ADHD. Enhancing cognitive abilities can also have benefits in areas such as education, sports performance, and workplace productivity. Ultimately, cognitive processes play a crucial role in shaping our experiences and interactions with the world around us.